Hey, I'm gonna do another segment of how to start a lawn care business, or any business actually. I think I got to where licensing, go to the city that you live in and get your business license and register your business with the state, and opening up a business checking account. That's what I was going to talk about today. Business checking account is a good way for you to keep your records on everything you're doing. It's pretty simple. Everything you make, you deposit in that account. Everything you spend for your business comes out of that account. And when you pay yourself, it comes out of that account. That's your business. The bank account is almost all the records you need for your business, actually. But I've got a software that helps me kind of keep track of everything, what the money's spent on for a secondary. It's just kind of runs side by side with my bank account. Kind of like my software works similar to my bank book, because I only use a debit card mainly. But my software is kind of like my bank book, because I enter into, like you used to write into your bank checking account book, I entered into my software. Which on the next video I'll tell you what software I use for my lawn care service. It's I think they've been around since 95 or 85, one or the other, I can't remember, but they're pretty good. I'm a little bit tired today. I'm just sitting in my daughter's car. Took her to the dentist. I didn't want to go in. I'm just sitting out here. It's about 15 degrees out. Just thought I'd do this video. So anyway, that's what I do. Open your checking account for your business after you do everything else. And if you haven't seen my other videos, go back and look at them. How to start a lawn care business. But it also works for any business. So your business checking account is your main. It's going to keep track of everything you do. You know, the way I pay myself, I don't write myself a check. I just make a transfer from that account to my personal account, and I'll write on there owner draw, because that's the same as, that's me paying myself. So all the owner draws is my pay coming out of my checking to me. And then everything's labeled on that account, usually. Because when you buy something at a store, it has the name of the store on there, usually. You know, and it's real easy for, if you get audited, you just give them that bank account records. And that's what I do too. I print off a monthly statement, and I got all my monthly statements. You print all that off, so if you ever get audited by the IRS, you hand them your bank account, and then I hand them my software books. Because on my software books, it's got every job I've done, and every payment I got, and payments that I haven't got, and also has all my expenses itemized, like fuel, parts, office supplies. You know, if I buy boots for working boots and clothes, all that kind of stuff, oil changes, all my supplies for your business, buying decorative rock, mulch, you know, that's my records, which is on both of them, because I pay for it with my bank account, and I also enter it into my software. You know, it's got the invoice number off the receipt, and what I bought in there. I'll go through my software on my next video. It's going to be about software for your lawn care business. Which my first year I didn't have it. I just went with I only had like 10 accounts. And I was also working somewhere else. But I just used receipts from like Walmart or somewhere. You go to the store and buy a receipt book. I was just filling that out and handing it to people that paid me. And I made up my own bill. But I'll get with my software next time. And I was just telling you this time about your bank account and how to use it. All the money you make goes in your bank account. I'm summing up what we just talked about. All your money goes in your bank account that you make, and then you use that to run your business on your fuel, everything that you have to buy for your business, paper, everything comes out of there. Paying yourself, paying your employees if you have any, which I ain't figured out how people have employees yet with I mean, you have to have a lot of work. It just depends on how much you want to put in. I'm kind of using, this is my, I don't know, I'm getting off subject, but this is for the guy that works by himself. My video would be more for like a solo lawn care guy or maintenance man, or I don't know. But I guess if you had a little business like bookkeeping or something, that might be a lot of work to that. But this would actually work for any business. Mechanic shop. If you had, like you had your own a service truck, say, and you went around and done service for people, it'd be the exact same as the lawn care business. You could almost use this for that. So anyway, that's my video on how to run your bank account with your business. And we'll have more on that subject later. I might someday talk about getting a credit card if you need one or not, or whatever. So, and we may go look at some lawnmowers. Talk to y'all later. Have a good one.